So these are the little things. I break them up like this so that they go in there better, okay? So smush them around a little bit before you stick them in the machine. I think that's the smartest way. Here it is. This is the Kenmore. And you open it up. I'm going to show you how he's put them in there. I got all the knives and forks in there. I slide these in like that. You see those little things? I put a bunch of them up in here. You don't have to be too, careful with it, but just try to get it in there. And then this is going to go in here like that. Then you got to kind of like smush this down, and this thing pops over it. And that's it. Bam, you're ready to go. And you got to make sure you shut this good. All right, and then I'm just going to go normal wash, just like that. And then I come over here. I just hit start, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now it's cooking. We just come back in about 4 hours because it takes forever. You can hear something's happening. You hear a pop there. All right, so we'll just let it do its thing. Here's how the things pull out. Just run straight out here, just like that. See that? Isn't that interesting? It just goes right out and it slides right back in. Same thing here, this pulls all the way out. You see there's a thing there that does the cleaning. And then it pushes all the way back. And there's that one down there, you see it? Every once in a while you gotta clean that filter out. But that's basically it. There's where all the stuff goes. And yeah, that's how you do it. All done. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to put this back in there. All right, we gotta put this stuff away. Place for everything and everything in its place. All right, once that's empty, it goes right on this side here. So you just grab it like that, slide her in there. Bam, that's for your, and it moves around a little bit. You can do it like that or that, however you want to do it, depending on how you're putting the dishes in. Bam, done.